what's something people don't know about Pompeii? It wasn't just lost, it was perfectly preserved. Let me tell you why that's so eerie. In 79 AD, Pompeii was full of laughter, markets, and art. But in just hours, Mount Vesuvius exploded with the power of a nuclear blast, covering the whole city in ash. Here's the spine-chilling part. Everything was frozen. Houses, streets, even people. Just as they were in their final moments. For nearly 1,700 years, time stood still. When archaeologists finally uncovered Pompeii, it was like opening a time capsule, filled with secrets and untold stories. Pompeii vanished in a day, but its whispers still echo now.